This is my first time cooking Brussels sprouts at home, and they are delicious. We have here 1 packet of Brussels sprouts. Peel away the outer leaves. As these Brussels sprouts are big, we're going to cut them into quarters. You could cut them into half for smaller ones. Trim off the top stem. Boil some water with 1 teaspoon of salt and add the Brussels sprouts. How long to boil will depend on the size of the Brussels sprouts. We have boiled for 1.5 minutes. Add another minute if the Brussels sprouts are big. Put them on a strainer to drain away excess water. Do the water drop test to make sure that our stainless steel pan is hot. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and we can start frying. Shake the pan and turn all the cut sides down. As our pan is hot, it is browning very quickly. We have to lower the heat so that they do not burn. Add some salt and pepper to taste. Turn the Brussels sprouts around so that they are cooked on all sides. For best results, we have to use the stainless steel pan to get the sear on the Brussels sprouts. Do not overcook the Brussels sprouts. They are done when all the sides are brown. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.